Force Primetime TV Drama Actor of the Year, Jericho Rosales.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Lani Santiago. And to present a lei for Jericho Rosales is Mayor Marcos Mamay of Lunungan, Lanao del Norte.
Okay, 1999 was the year. So Guillermo Mendoza Awards gave me a trophy. Nakalagay doon, most promising star in 1999. 3 years after I was Mr. Pogi. I'm here because of I didn't write anything, but I was like looking at the G. So gratitude is what brought me here to Guillermo Mendoza. I am so honored, just like what Donnie said, so honored to be, on stage and sharing this theater with, great actors and producers, and I just feel so happy because I'm doing, and I'm in this industry na mahal ko. I love my job so much, and I have quit so many times because na burnout. But every single time that I decide to do something, music, Guillermo, you guys gave me an award for music. Hindi nyo na po may tatanong, I'm also a lyricist. And then I left again and I did movies, and then you guys gave me an award again. So this is my... anyway, it's just nice to have this kind of support. G for Gantimpala, and ang Gantimpala ng paggawa ng sining ay walang kapalit, but it's so nice to be supported by someone like you guys. And I am asking everyone, let us not allow the flame to die, whether television or cinema. Because ang ating kultura ng paggawa ng sining ang bumubuhay sa Pilipinas. So mabuhay ang TV, mabuhay ang pelikula. Thank you so much. God bless you guys. Teatro.
Congratulations, Jericho. Our next awardee has always raised the level of acting in every character she plays. Her duality as Jasmine Flores and Lavender Fields was so impressive that it earned the nod of the Guillermo Foundation. Congratulations to our primetime TV drama actress of the year, Jody Santamaria.